Hey guys, it's Ivy. We are going in Walgreens for the weekly deals for February the 14th, starting that week. This is for the next week, the 14th, and we're going to do some deals up in here so that if I can't get out because of the snowstorm, you guys got it. Okay, for next week, Walgreens has a deal for Maybelline, buy one, get one 50% off. All of their makeup. Maybelline is, L'Oreal is buy one, get one 50% off also. So I will find the lowest price, which is this for $8.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. We do have coupons for L'Oreal and Maybelline on our app. Now let's get down to our first register reward and deal for next week, and it is going to be Revlon, and it is buy one get one 50% off, then get a $3 register reward. With that $3 register reward, you could use the coupon on the app. I'm going to show them to you, but we do have Revlon coupons. Here's a $3 off Revlon. They do not want you to use this $3 off Revlon on the Kids Bomb, but we do have another one you could use on the Kids Bomb. Here is another $3 Revlon, and that's the third one. So as of now, we have three. So I'm looking at, these are your cheapest right here, $4.99, $5.99 that you can get on right as digital. Almay is also a part of the deal, which I do not see. Okay, guys, just got news. Walgreens does not carry Almay anymore. They will not be carrying Almay anymore. So let's go to our next deal, and that is going to be the Gillette for $7.99. The Gillette is $7.99. You got a $3 off digital coupon, making these $4.99. Get a $3 register reward. That's our second register reward. Let me show you that coupon. And here it is for Gillette, $3. It's disposable razor, select variety. So just make sure that coupon works for you. Next is our Bic. The Bic is at $5.99. Next week, the Bics will be $5.99. They'll give you a $3 off coupon digital. That'll make these $2.99 and a $3 register reward. That is your third register reward already, guys. It is going to be good next week. And you have to find that big coupon, or we'll get it in the mail, in the insert. So I think it's digital though, but I do not have it as of yet. Okay, if you check your Nivea, your Walgreens app, you have a coupon that you should clip. It's $2 off cash reward when you buy two, and then you have the coupon two for $3 off of two, or we should be getting another coupon. But if that's kind of expensive to me, so that's just a FYI I mention for you all. But that's kind of expensive for me. Okay, next mention is the Big Soleil Smooth. Now, you know this coupon has been floating around already at Dollar General and Family Dollar. Well, it's made it to Walgreens. It's a $3 off coupon. This is $5.99. It's going to give us a $3 register reward, okay? Now, I think you have to choose between the men's or the women's, all right? So just be careful. Then also same as the Gillette for men. The Gillette for women Venus is pick up the right one. It's $7.99. We have a $3 off coupon, making these $4.99, and then they're gonna give you a $3 register reward, making these $1.99. Let me show you that coupon. Okay, and there is the $3 off Venus coupon. Go through your app for the Bic. We do have it, but it has not made it to my app yet. Last time I had to wait to come coupon because my coupons hadn't made it to my app until like 8 that morning. Okay, we are down this aisle, and the deal that we're looking for is P-Rex is $3 off of 3 for $6. We have a one-day coupon that's going to make these $1 each. Coupon expire on the 14th. I'll show it to you. Okay, this is the coupon. It expires on the 14th. It's for $1. Try to use one for each one. Make it $3 even. Then use points to pay it down. Okay, as usual, Ajax is 99 cents. This is always a good deal, and always grab it, guys, if you need it. That is a good stockpile. Okay, we do have a digital $2 off per seal. They still will be $4.99 next week. So pay $2.99. Use points to pay it down. And Tide will be $4.99 next week, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making these $2.99. use points to pay that down. Great deal. Okay guys, next is the Crest 3D White. You buy 2 of these, you should come up to $7.98. They are giving us a 3 off 2 coupon, making these $4.98. Then they're going to give you $4.50 register reward, making these 29 cents a piece. Now you're on your 4th register reward. It is going to be nice next week for the rewards. It's fantastic. Okay, Scott paper towel will be this. The coupon don't run out until the end of the month. It is for $1.25, making these $3.75. So that is still a good stack up on paper towel and tissue. Okay, the complete home will be $3.49. We also have a dollar off of 2 My Walgreens cash that they're going to give you on your account. Let me show you the coupon. Okay, that's the $2 off of Tide. That's the dollar off of the dollar Walgreens cash reward for buying 2 complete home bath or facial tissue. If you guys have that, you might can utilize this coupon. But I'm waiting for the one for the 5 off of 20. It's a 5 off 20 that should be clipping soon. But just wait and see, guys, if you can get it. Okay, the Bounty and Sherman Essentials are $4.99 by 4. This come up to $19.98. You would get a $6 register reward back. If you have points or any register rewards to pay it down with, this is what I would do. I would use $10 in my Walgreens, pay $9 out of pocket, and get back my $6 register reward. Or I would use that $10 in my rewards plus register rewards to play it low as possible. Okay, also on this app, it's just an honorable mention. These right here are 99 cents. If you make sure you put in either in the IVC book, make sure they scan the barcode or clip it to your account, okay? And also these are also complete home. These are also going to be 99 cents. I usually stack up when they 99 cents, but you also can go to Dollar Tree and get real Reynolds wrap for $1. So right here, we're going to come right here and we're going to look at these right here. These are buy one get 2 free at $2.79, making these just 98 cents a piece. This is another stock up. This what I will be adding to my stock up. I get these every time they are on sale. Okay, guys. So let's go on to the next deal. I have showed you 5 register rewards. 5 register rewards that you can get. It is well worth it to go shopping next week. Okay, my favorite Arizona sweet tea is 2 for $1. These are they're usually 99 cents. So 2 for $1 is a great deal. Grab these and pay 50 cents each for them. Next, stock up an honorable mention because I don't eat tuna. These are 4 for $5, but starting on the 14th, they would be 5 for $4. This is a fantastic stock up deal, especially if you like tuna. Now, do you see this, guys? The nice baking goods is that one get 50% off. Another store I was in, these light brown sugars was 99 cents. That means if you buy 2 of these, you'll pay 50 cents. But if you buy 2 now, you'll pay 75 cents each, which is a great deal. Okay, starting next week, the Lay's and the Pepsi is 2 at $3.79. Buy 2 get 1 free, and then we have $1.75 off coupon off 3. So that'll be a perfect deal. I'm gonna look for the Pepsi 6-packs. Buy 2 Pepsi 6-packs, get the other one for free. Okay, the Quaker Oats are 2 for $5. We have a $1 off 2 Quaker coupon that we can use. These are great if you are starting a smoothies pack. It's starting to work out time. This is fantastic. That's a great deal to grab right here. I know I'll be grabbing some. And this is the coupon. It does not expire until the 21st. Okay, well, we don't have our Febreze warmer, but they finally gave us a coupon for it, and it's going to be $3. So go ahead and grab your free Febreze warmer that we've been getting free for the last week. So they're finally giving us a freebie, okay? That will be great too. But hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to if you want more weekly deals and matches before it come out, let me know so I can continue to do it. So thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. And Thanks for watching and tuning and supporting Ivy's Coupon Cap. Bye.